Here I am building up my homestead in my ancestors' land in Estonia. I had break from actual work, and if I think through, this was 3 months, very long period, because my right hand was completely off the order, and now I feel I am back. My hand is okay, more or less. It's not so cold. Outdoor is -6 something Celsius, and indoor is probably a bit higher, still minus. I can work. I have plans, and I need to clean up this place, and I will buy some hens, 3, I thought will be right number for me. For them, I will build a small chicken coop inside my garage. So this is the plan. And since I started only yesterday, after so long break, it's not so easy to restart. And I didn't work too long hours. There will be no proper video in this week, only this one. But for the next week, I hope I already can show some building process, and most important, my new hens who will be more or less pets.